this episode of Joe Grills. I am going to eat this crab for lunch. What is up, mother people? Good morning, guys. So me and my friends have this thing that we've been kind of doing. The second day, as soon as I arrived to Hawaii, we go hiking. If you missed out what we did last time, I'm gonna leave a link right there. You guys could check it out. It's pretty amazing. We were actually behind this place right here. That's called Cocoa Head. And we climbed all of that. That was really fun, but this time we're going somewhere else. I'm not even gonna tell you where it is. You gotta find it on your own. Number one, I just don't want people to see it so they don't go. But number two, the reward is if you do your research and you actually do find it, good for you. But if you get lost and you die, that's just the penalty. Wow, look at the nature. And the residential neighborhood here. Wow, people are living all over there, and in their backyard is a coconut head. Oh, I feel just like home. There's a cactus. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at Hanauma Bay. Oh my goodness, look at that sunrise. Wow, look, oh my goodness. Get out of here, houses. Getting in the beautiful nature. Oh my goodness, that's Diamond Head. Damn, look at that. The camera never does justice, but this way down is so steep. Oh no, do not fall and die. This is why I do not want to tell anybody where this place is, even though you might be able to like triangular position this place when you look at the coordinates on the globe. But I don't want you to know where it is if you are an amateur hiker, because what will end up happening is you will fall, slip down, and you will go back to this vlog and say, oh, this motherfucker is like a so dangerous, man. And this is why I must sue you. Unless you're dead, you can't sue me, so you die, I don't. Dude, look at how flat this is. It's flat, dude. It's flatter than my titties when I was in junior high, dude. It's so flat. A wild Nancy appears. We see her all the way down there. Nancy! But kudos to Nancy because she didn't sleep last night. I had a great sleep last night, so I was like, I'm feeling refreshed. LA is like 3 hours away. We woke up at like 5 something. To me, that's normal time, but for her, it's actually that time. And the way up is steep too. Sean's blasting by. Nobody gets left behind, okay? And it gives me an excuse to rest. I personally think though, going down is harder than going up. Climbing might be tiring, but then you have to be strategic on your way down, right? Whoa, guys, we're at the Grand Canyon. Wow, we're in Arizona. What the hell kind of alien shit is this? Dude, it's some Jurassic pork plant. That shit looks like it's gonna eat me. Amongst these bushes. This is the reward. That looks like some Star Wars stuff. In this adventure, I'm traveling through all these different landscapes. Right now, I am inside the canyons of New Mexico. Wow, it's very swag, guys. I can't get enough of nature, dude. Damn, to me, nature's like big booty girls on Instagram. So addictive. That's so cool. I want to be doing that. What the hell is that, Nancy?
It's a dead crab.
No, actually, there's nothing inside.
Yeah, I think it's molten.
So did it just get out of its shell?
Probably.
Do crabs do that?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's how you get soft-shell crab, and they're delicious.
This is soft-shell crab, huh?
No, that's the outside of the crab.
Oh, should I eat it? All right, Ernesto, peace out. I'll see you next time. Look at this couple. Just a few minutes ago, we got a Japanese uncle and a Korean uncle coming together in Hawaii to make a world peace while they're fishing together. Just like this guy, he's fishing over here. What a place to be a fisherman. Holy smokes, be careful, guys. Wow, that wave will eat ya. That's a hole, dude. I don't know if you guys can see, we're getting rained on like a mofo right now, but look at this shit. Look at this beautiful shit. We almost got hit by that water. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Wow, it's a rainbow. Oh my God. Double. Oh my God, there's a double rainbow. And then there's another rainbow. Wow, double rainbow. Happy birthday. Now we are at the Kaka'ako Farmers Market. I don't know if I see any farmers yet, but I'll let you guys know. I got butter mochi at Lanikai Mochi. Oh, you gotta visit. It's so good. Look at what I just got. Bamboo stickers. So since I'm gonna be out here so often, what I'm gonna do is buy a moped and I'm gonna put stickers all over it. It's gonna be my original design is gonna be Mudda Joe's moped. Hey bear, you remind me of Brown. You know you look like Brown? You're a cute dog, man. Oh guys, I've been wanting to try this for so long. It's Katsusando 808. Dude, I'm pretty stoked. Check out their Instagram. Oh, whoa, look at how thick it is, dude. That's what she said. Whoa, curry fry. Whoa, what's that one, the Wagyu? Oh my goodness. It looks just like the picture, man. Wow. Wow, more? Wow, you look happy. Yeah, let's go, let's eat it. Oh my, look at the stringy cheese. Oh my God, this is the Wagyu hamburger, man. I don't know how to eat it. I almost fainted in Hawaii. It's good. Now we're gonna check out this ube festival going on. Hey guys, wow. Look at this here. Oh my God, look at the line. Oh shoot. So we are back here at Aloha Revolution. They got their store here all set up, different from yesterday. It looks so beautiful. Ube mochi.
7 minutes away.
Ooh.
Wait, this is wrong.
Wow. Yo Mama Mochi. That's the name of their company. This is a secret beach. I'm not gonna tell you how to get here because it's a secret. You know what I mean? This is gonna be a pretty cool life because whenever I'm out here in the morning, I'm gonna swim or hike and then I'm gonna come in, do a little bit of work. Maybe I'll just work in the water. Maybe my business has something to do with the boat. Maybe it has something to do with sand. Would you like to guess in the comments below what we are starting as a business here? Pretty interesting. You know what's pretty cool is I already had several business meetings in the water and I could like this office. I think this is a cheap office because it's zero rent. I can use it anytime except for when it probably is storming and there's waves crashing and it might kill me. But other than that, great office space. Hi, bird. See you later, bird. Isn't it funny when digital nomads that be traveling the world be like, oh, I make my world my office. Man, do you know how difficult it is to actually work in here? Can you imagine? Next time I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna bring my laptop, pull out a surfboard and make that my table and do a whole ass office and be like, I am a vagabond. I am a traveling digital nomad. I can work anywhere in the world. That's the kind of bullshit I be seeing on YouTube these days. Bullshit, okay? It's a good dream life, and I'm only hating because I kind of do it myself. But I didn't mean to do it, okay? That's the difference. Is I didn't mean to. It just fell upon my lap. Other than that, I am really gonna open up a business here. So give me what your guys' answers are. I want to know what you're guessing in the comments below. I'm very curious what you think it is. I'm gonna leave clues and hints this whole time I'm here. So I want you to try and guess and put the pieces of the puzzle together. I bet you won't even know what it is. It's not even what you think it is. I've been wanting curry all day. Gotta get the poke, go. Ooh.
Takoyaki.
Ooh, wow, curry tonkatsu. It just turned October yesterday. What the heck? What the heck? It's already Christmas. Thank you guys for joining me on today's Joe's Hawaiian Adventure. We're gonna go to sleep at like 8 p.m. like old people because tomorrow we're gonna go fishing like old people early in the morning. So see you tomorrow. Peace. Chuck E. Cheese for my birthday. 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 Birthday. Chuck E. Cheese. Birthday. Chuck E. Cheese for my birthday. Chuck E. Cheese for my birthday. Chuck E. Cheese for my birthday. Birthday. Chuck E. Cheese.